The ELEHINSER 60-inch ceiling fan elegantly combines a modern design with a rustic farmhouse aesthetic, making it a stylish addition to any room. Its integrated LED lighting ensures bright and glare-free illumination, perfect for both work and relaxation environments. Equipped with a high-quality DC motor, this fan offers a silent operation with 6 adjustable speeds, catering to different airflow preferences. The reversible motor function enhances year-round comfort by providing cooling in the summer and warmth in the winter. A user-friendly remote control simplifies operation, allowing for easy adjustments of speed, lighting, and timer settings. The fan's versatile mounting options accommodate sloped ceilings and come with multiple downrod lengths for varied ceiling heights.